is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you guys live from my home office here. And today we're going to be unboxing a new subscription to the channel, but not new to my family. So this is Basic Man. So let's get in and let's get into it. All right, guys. So Basic Man, if you've never heard of that, basically every month your significant other or your husband gets to get a chance to get a pair of underwear, a t-shirt, and a pair of socks. So fresh, new undergear every month for one price. It's $19.99. I'll put their link below so that you guys can check it out. I know they have different plans, but the one that my husband gets is the $19.99, gets all three choices, new underwear, socks, and t-shirts. So he can be fresh every month. So I think it's definitely a good value. The quality of the products, of the underwear and the socks and the t-shirt, he loves it. So that's why we've kept this subscription for a while now. So it's just new to the channel, so we've never actually unboxed it here. So let's take a look to see what he got this month. So let me take a look and check it out so that you guys can see if this would be good for your guy. This might be good for like Father's Day. If you're not too sure, maybe you can play for the year. I'm not too sure if they have that option, but it's a good idea for Father's Day. So these are the socks, and they're pretty good. My husband loves socks like this, so if your guy likes that stuff, he'll definitely love this. So that was his sock, and then this is the underwear. Give me a second. And I know my husband has said these underwears are very comfortable, and the quality is very comfortable. I believe it's like 100% cotton. I'll double check just to be sure, so you guys can see. 95% modal and elastic, so whatever that is, that's what these are, so you guys can see that. And initially he didn't like these kind of underwear, but with Basic Man, he loves it. They're very comfortable. So that was socks and underwear, and then he gets a brand new t-shirt every month. So let me check it out. So this is a gray V-neck t-shirt, and I'm not gonna unfold it, but you guys know what a t-shirt looks like, so I'll leave it like that. But this is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So what did you guys think? Do you guys think that your spouse would like something like this? You got it. So let me recap. So we got a pair of socks, got a pair of underwear, and a t-shirt, and these come to you every month. So he loves it. I'm sure your spouse would too. So that's it for Basic Man. What did you guys think about this subscription? My husband has had this one for a while, so he loves it. Do you guys get Basic Man? Does your spouse get Basic Man? Let me know. What do you think about this box? Let me know. So with that being said, you guys enjoy your day, and we'll see you on the next video.